to renew their confidence in the Pakistan People's Party. Electoral success has followed performance, and performance has followed principle, the principle of selflessly serving the people. Today's presentation documents this transformation, from health institutions to major investments in education, agriculture, irrigation, housing, energy, and building of infrastructure. It is a comprehensive account of what consistent governance and political continuity achieve. And there is no better person to present this story than Chairman Pakistan People's Party, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari himself, who over this period has not only guided the government of Sindh politically, but also has provided strategic direction, policy, vision, and international advocacy for Sindh and Pakistan. Chairman Bilawal has carried forward the legacy of democratic leadership with modern thinking, focusing on youth, climate action, technology, and institutional reform, ensuring that Sindh's development is aligned with the challenges of the 21st century.